Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making sourdough pancakes. Have you been neglecting your sourdough starter? I had been neglecting mine, but I've picked it back up again, and now I feed it regularly every day with a 1:1:1 ratio. So 100 grams of my sourdough starter, this is the discard, 100 grams of flour and 100 grams of warm water. I do this on a daily basis or weekly if I'm putting it in the fridge. But take a look at my sourdough discard. It's not looking too bad. See those bubbles? It's going to be used in these pancakes, and it's a great way to use your discard. Thanks for the song request because it fits in perfectly here. My sourdough survived. It is alive. It's got bubbles brewing up even though it was deprived. I'm going to feed it every day so I don't have to replay the demise that I caused, so I can say hooray! First things first, make a decision. Do you want to let your sourdough pancake batter rest overnight where it'll become even more tangy? Or are you impatient today and want to eat them a day of? I'm in the latter category, so we're going to make them right now, in which case preheat your oven to 250 degrees. Mix your dry ingredients, all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, baking soda. Whisk together. Mix your wet ingredients, the sourdough discard. Look at those bubbles. Eggs, milk, melted butter. Whisk together. Add your wet to your dry. Whisk together until it is just combined. It's okay if it's a little clumpy. We're looking for a smooth batter, but again, it's okay if a few lumps exist, so this is about right. Get your skillet ready, medium-low heat. Add a pat of butter, or you can also use oil. Swirl the butter around your pan and then take a third of a cup, and we're gonna pour that batter in. It doesn't have to be exact. Once bubbles start to form and you see that the edges are puffed up, it's ready to flip. Once it's sat for another minute or two and looks like very puffy and nice, remove it, put it on your cookie sheet, and into the oven it goes to stay warm. Look at this fantastic sourdough discard pancake. This one actually came out pretty round, and I'm proud of that. Let's break it open and see what it looks like inside. See how thick it is though? I mean, look at that. Wow. Ooh, my. That is a lot of fluffy pancake goodness, but it's all in the taste. Let's take a little bite of this. Looks so good. These are fantastic pancakes. First off, I taste a lot of that butter coming through, and then there's a little bit of depth from that sourdough discard. I mean, and look at how fluffy these are. I mean, come on, you cannot make this stuff up. These are fantastic. I would absolutely make these again, and it's going to encourage me to keep my sourdough going and alive. If I can make these sourdough pancakes for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check me out on Instagram and on TikTok for so very much more. Let's have fun. Oh.